Menteri ka kot ka khia jong jela uba elhek ula batha badi bandon ka Jingtohkit Kaba Halor ka Jingkhlad no jong inno si ba almet jong ka Ganesh das hospital hasil long dang kini kindiat sngim haba pentip ya kini uba hek uloong baula batha ya principal secretary jong ka kot ka khia ba on thau ya ka Jingtohkit Kaba Laitluid Halor kini ka jingjam.
And I have asked for inquiry at the same time also the justice to be prevailed to the nurses and also to all the health workers, including the doctors, the staff nurses, or any health workers working in the hospital on duty. They should be, their life, their precious life has to be protected. So that one cannot be compromised. So anybody found guilty, it should be taken to task. Now I have already sent to the principal secretary, and immediately he will constitute the inquiry immediately without further delay, no delay in this matter, and ensure the justice to prevail in this issues.